Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find new summer secret location and Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can join replay mode in Dress to Impress, and after you have joined the replay mode, you can follow where I go. You can go outside the building. Okay, you can go to this location and you're going to glitch to the outside this building. Okay, you can enable the camera movement, and then you're going to glitch. Okay, and you're going to go to this area guys, this island. Okay, just follow the location here. Okay, here guys, you need to be careful because you will fall if you are not careful. Okay, so this is the secret location and you need to jump to this location. Alright, and this is for the secret location in Dress to Impress guys. As you can see here, you will find some mermaids and mermans, and I think this is a sneak peek of the summer update in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the secret location in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!